Mary manages inventory control and accounting for her company and knows that getting the right items in the right place at the right time reduces risk and improves cash flow. Managing inventory used to require a stack of spreadsheets, frequent manual counts, and way too much paperwork. Her old software followed a simplistic process that didn't always match her company's processes, leading to time-consuming workarounds. Now, Sage Intacct Inventory helps her track, value, and manage stock, ensuring accuracy at each step of the inventory workflow. She has created a custom dashboard to see across locations, products, and inventory status. And the inventory control overview gathers together the data elements and transactions she uses on a daily basis. Inventory control even handles the complexities of kit assembly, giving her company the flexibility to hold kits in inventory or build them as needed. She can use standard templates for inventory adjustments, transfers, damaged goods, scrap, and more. Transaction templates provide the information she needs to perform inventory actions, like an adjustment for damaged goods that links back to the source receiver document. She can also create her own templates that fit her organization and processes. She controls all the accounting for the action in the template or definition. This includes how entries get handled in the general ledger. For each product, she's able to fine-tune inventory levels and set efficient reorder points and quantities. She has a number of replenishment tools to speed up the process of maintaining stock levels. She can see forecasts of pending orders, replenish inventory by creating multiple orders at once, review replenishment runs, and see an instant snapshot of her inventory set to replenish. Mary also keeps her accounting accurate by maintaining inventory valuation according to methods that match her company's methods. She can even adjust the cost of goods sold in previous periods to make sure profitability is accurately reported at year-end. See how you can take control of your inventory processes, reduce risk, and increase cash flow by scheduling a live demo of Sage Intacct today.